Hi everyone, this is Grammar, and today's topic is these 5 expressions, okay? You may be familiar with some of these. If you're not, it's okay. I have them here for you today. The first one is, let's get our hands dirty. What that means is you're going to start to work. You know, usually when you work, you get your hands dirty. That's where this expression comes from. Let's get our hands dirty. Again, all it means is, let's start working. The next one, go live. This is an expression we use when we want to talk about we're going to do something. So for example, let's say we have a class tomorrow. I have a class with you tomorrow, and it's at 3 p.m. So I can say, at 3 p.m. tomorrow, we go live, which simply means we're going to work. The next one is be headed. Be headed means that you're going to go somewhere. So let's say, after this recording, I'm headed home, which means I'm going to go home. The next one, it's a no-brainer, which means it's very obvious, it's very simple. So if I say, how much is 2 plus 2? That is a no-brainer. Super easy. Easy peasy, super breezy. Okay, and the last one, it's a wrap, means we have finished. It means we're done. So when I want to say that I'm done doing something, I say it's a wrap, okay? So these expressions are very common. They're important to use. It's important for you to use them so you sound more like a native speaker, okay? These 5 expressions are easy peasy, super breezy, and it's a wrap.